Hey, what's up YouTube? How's it going? Thank you guys for joining me today. Welcome to another episode of Tobias Fixes Something in His Car. Now what happened is, the first thing that happened is I was driving my car one day and I remember I stopped at the gas station, and I think when I turned my car on, I heard like a click, 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 click kind of noise coming from like the inside of the dash on the left-hand side. So like this side over here. And I was like, oh, that was weird. And then it stopped. And then the next day or so, I think it was the next day, I was driving my car and I had the air conditioning on because it was a pretty hot day, and I realized like I'd been driving for like, a little while at this point, and I was like, geez, it is like getting really hot. Like I have the air on, it doesn't seem to be working. I went and felt this vent right here. This vent all the way on the left side of the steering wheel was blowing hot air, while the other ones seemed to be blowing cool air. And it was just, the hot air was so overpowering, it felt like it was just getting so hot inside the car. So I investigated what the problem was, and I believe what the problem is that it is the Blend Door Actuator inside. It's actually located underneath the steering wheel. It's like up in here. So I went ahead and ordered a new Blend Door Actuator. This is it right here. So my goal today is to go ahead and install this in my car, and that should hopefully fix my problem. And just before we get into this, if this video helps you out, or if you like this video, make sure you go down there and drop a like. That would help me out so much. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure that you go down and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notifications button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's go ahead and get into this. So in the Dodge Avenger, there are 3 Blend Door actuators. There's 2 behind the glove box, and then there's 1 under here under the steering wheel, and you have to investigate which one it is that is failing on your car, and once you figure that out, you can go ahead and replace it. So I already know that mine is the one down here because the hot air is coming out of this vent, so it should be under here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have to take this off. And now what we have to do is remove this metal piece right here, and to remove that you're going to need let me show you the tool real quick. It's like a hex tool. So I went ahead and bought this hex key wrench set. I bought this on Amazon. It was $10. I actually also bought this Blend Door Actuator on Amazon. This cost $16 on Amazon, and this cost $9.95, I believe, on Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and leave both the links to these down in the description of this video in case you want to check those out. The thing about the Blend Door Actuator, like I checked O'Reilly's, I checked Pep Boys, none of them had it in stock. I checked carparts.com. It said it would take 7 to 10 days to get delivered to me. I checked with Pep Boys, same thing. They said it would take at least 7 business days for them to order this part and get it. So I checked Amazon, and sure enough, they had it. I ordered it with Prime, and it got to my house the next day, and it was less expensive. So that's the route I would recommend. But I mean, if you guys could find it in a store near you, feel free. But yeah, this wrench set, this is what the wrenches should look like. And then the size that we need to get those screws out is the T20. So this one goes from T10 to T50. Alright guys, now this is going to be the hard part, showing you guys where this is. I have my phone light shining up there so it would be a little easier to see. But it is right... Okay, let me see if I can get a good look at it. There we go, that's it right there. That is the Blend Door Actuator right there. So we got to go ahead and unscrew it. There should only be 2 screws, and a plug going into it so it can get power. And then that white arm coming out of it. Alright guys, check it out. So this is the old actuator right here. I got it out. I was able to actually use my phone to film up there because it's smaller, so I think that worked. So I got the old actuator right here. This is the new one. So what I'm going to have to do is take this arm off the old one and put it on the new one. But I'm not sure yet. I might have to see. It might be easier to put the arm first, then put the actuator on the arm. We'll just have to wait and see. Alright guys, so as you can see, the Blend Door Actuator, the new Blend Door Actuator is working. It was a little difficult to install the new part because it's really hard to see up there. But I mean, it didn't take me that long to do, and I was able to do it. And if you guys didn't know, like, I do not know a lot about working on cars or anything like that. So like, if I can do it, I'm sure like most people can. Alright guys, and I am feeling the air coming from the vent. I have the air conditioning on, and it's actually cold, just like the other vents. Alright guys, so that's this job completed. Once again, I'll have a link to this Blend Door Actuator down in the description of this video. Before you buy it, just make sure that it fits your model of car. It does fit several different models, so just make sure on the link that it fits your car. If not, I'm sure you'll be able to find the correct one that does fit your car. And if you like this video, if this video helped you out, go ahead and give me a like. That would help me out so much. And also, if you want to see more videos by me in the future, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on those bell notifications. And I will talk to you guys next time. Peace!